Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to unbox the brand new LEMFO Lem9. As we can see here, we have the LEMFO Lem9 with 4G, Android 7.1.1, a SIM card slot and a 5 megapixel front camera. Also it has a GPS, heart rate, Wi-Fi and very different function. So the LEMFO Lem9 has a 1.39-inch full touchscreen with dual interface, and it connects with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, mobile network, etc. It has a 600 milliamp hour battery, which made the LEMFO Lem9 a very good smartwatch for today's. So let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see what we have here. And now here we have the box itself from the LEMFO Lem9, the color gray, and here we have some information about the LEMFO Lem9. Let's go ahead and open the box. We can see the watch itself. Let's unstrap it. As we can see in the bottom, we have the charging point, the sensor, and here we have the SIM card slot. In the side we have the speaker. In this side, in the right side, we have the power button, and we have the button for back, as we can see right here. And here we have the front camera. As I said, the LEMFO Lem9 has a 1.39-inch screen. So the screen is big enough. Let's go ahead and see what we have here in the box. So this is the cap that goes underneath while you're charging it, and a cable to connect with this cap and charge the LEMFO Lem9. We have a screwdriver as well to unscrew and screw back this screw here. We have an operation guide and the user manual as well. Let's put back all these and go ahead, power the Lem9 on. Has a very loud speaker, which is great. As we can see, here is the first page for the LEMFO. It has the LEMFO sign and name, and this very beautiful design in the back, the time, day, and the date here. If we swipe left, we have notification. If we swipe down, we have like a taskbar. We have the day, date, Bluetooth, and SIM card, the percentage of battery. Here we have more options. We have do not disturb, brightness. Now it's in full brightness. As you saw, it lights up. Very low, as you can see in camera, it looks like it's shut down. Half brightness and full brightness. So we have here airplane mode, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, mobile data, cleaner, music control, weather, and down we have the sport data. We have steps, distance, every day of the week, and we have here the settings to put your weight, height, walk target, and your gender. Here we have steps, distance, and burned calories. In the right we have the menu. The first one is contacts, so you can call or you can accept a call from someone when you insert a SIM card in the Lem9. Next we have phone, message, setting, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitor, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, operation guide, App Store, assistant, translator, and long standby. So you can see the Lem9 has more options than the other LEMFOs that we already reviewed. It has plenty of options that you can use in day-to-day basic. So as we can see, we have here different options. What we can test some of them. Let's test the heart rate, fitness, the camera, and all these kind of stuff. Let's go with the test. Now that we have here the LEMFO Lem9, we can go ahead and test the heart rate like we usually do. And we will wait for the result. As we can see here, with time and date, we have the result saved. So if we do another test for the heart rate, all the information will be saved underneath the first one. So this is the best tutor from the LEMFO. Let's go ahead to fitness. Let's see what we have here. We can see that we have outdoor run, let's take this off real quick so we can show you better how it's going on. We have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, football, ping pong, badminton, and rope skipping. So we have plenty of options for sport, and we have the records in the right. Let's press here go. As we can see immediately, the time started. The distance will be showing you right here. The heart rate, burn calories, miles per hour or kilometer per hour, and the distance that you did. So the LEMFO Lem9 with 7.1.1 Android is very good and useful. As we know, the Lem9 has a camera 5 megapixels, and we tested earlier. Let's go ahead to the gallery, and we can see some pictures and videos that we did. Actually, the 5 megapixel is really good. As you can see here, it has really good quality and shows the details of the flower. I don't know, yes, you can zoom it. As you can see, everything is real clear. I'm pretty impressed actually with the camera from the Lem9. I haven't seen a good camera in smartwatch in a really long time, and I really like it. If you're looking to buy a smartwatch with camera, I highly recommend the Lem9. So guys, this was all from the LEMFO Lem9. Thank you for your time. If you have any question or suggestion, hit the comment down below. Subscribe our channel, turn notification on, and see you in the next video.